All right, this review's on this Ultenic robot vacuum. Now I have the vacuum and it has the docking station, which is where it will charge and suck up the dirt for, I'm gonna say 30 to 45 days. You will not have to dump this. All your dirt's gonna go in this bag. I really believe you could take these bags and try to dump them out so they will last even longer. You can order new bags. It does come with a second bag. It comes with an extra brush. I already have one brush on. Comes with an extra filter. This is a little cleaning brush to help clean the roller underneath. Comes with a remote. You can run this vacuum right from this remote. You don't have to use the app. There is an app you can put on your phone. And in the app, you can plan to vacuum just certain days of the week. You can also make it so it will not go in certain areas of your house, because this is going to map out your house. It'll trace the edges of every room, and then it vacuums back and forth in every room. You'll see that here in this video. Comes with a nice manual. This is all the English section. All this is different languages. Comes with a warranty registration card, and it does have a feature that it can mop. If you pull out, there's a bottom section here. I can pull this out.
Dustbin is not installed.
There, it talks to you also. This is where all the dirt's gonna get collected, and you can put some water in this little hole here, and it will lightly mop your floors. It really doesn't mop like you're using a big, huge mop, but it will do a small amount. And under here is where this extra filter will go. So every once in a while, you're gonna wanna maybe take this filter out and blow it out, maybe with like an air compressor or something.
Dustbin has been installed.
There's a sensor on the top and there are sensors on the bottom. You'll see in the video that help it so it doesn't go tumbling down your steps. Now I'm gonna pull this bag out. This is the bag I used the other day. So there's already some dirt in there. I'm gonna put this brand new one in and I'll show you how much dirt at the end of this I get. Now I just tried this yesterday, so I don't know how real dirty my floors are. All right, let's push play. Here we go. See, it won't go down over them steps. This thing is slick. See, this thing goes around and it finds all the edges of the room, and then it will go back and clean all the center. There, see, now it's going around my chair. It seems to be doing better than it did the first time. I think it like learns your room, and I don't even have this really connected to the app. Like I said, I wanted to use it the most simple way it could. Just hook it up, push play. That was it. Now it's gonna go under that TV. And while this is running, one thing you gotta watch for different wires or like shoelaces. You wanna pick some of your shoes up, some of your wires up. Now it's going under my dog bed. If you're home and it does suck something up and it kind of gets stuck in it, you can pause it and pull out whatever you sucked up. See, that's going around that leg. That's crazy. There, it pretty much went around my entire living room. I want to show you how it goes up over this lip from my living room to my kitchen. It will make it up over that. There it goes. All right, another thing you can do with this remote is I can turn the suction up. Just like that. Right now it seems to be trying to do some of its like back and forth motions. All right, it's heading back to the charging dock. This is how it docks.
Start dust collection. Charging.
All right, let's take this bag out and we'll see how much dirt it sucked up. See, when you pull that out, it does shut that. There is some dirt, but like I said, I vacuumed yesterday, so. Well, there, now you know you can dump some of the dirt out. Oh, yeah, there's a bunch still in there. It's kind of hard to, you can work on it. There's a big old wad right there. It's mainly just my dog hair. Still more down in there. It's kind of hard to dump it all out, but I'm gonna guess you could probably try to reuse these quite a few times if you try to dump some of that out. Well, I hope this video helps you with your decision in purchasing this robot vacuum.